Learn something new every day. Do subscribe to our channel, it would mean the world to us.
Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, or HAL, is India's premier aerospace and defense manufacturer. It designs, builds, and maintains advanced fighter jets, helicopters, and space components. Think of it as India's version of global giants like Boeing or Lockheed Martin, but heavily focused on Indian defense and indigenous aircraft development. HAL is headquartered in Bengaluru and stands as one of the oldest aerospace companies in Asia. The story began in 1940, when India had almost zero aircraft manufacturing capability. This was the birth of HAL, a crazy story during World War II. Founded in 1940 by industrialist Walchand Hirachand, with support from the Kingdom of Mysore and Maharaja of Mysore, visionary Sir M. Vishveshvaraya and American businessman William Pauly were also the key partners. Why was it in Bengaluru? Because back then, Bengaluru had good weather for aircraft testing, large open land, military importance, and support from the Mysore Kingdom. The Mysore government provided 200 acres. That single decision eventually transformed Bengaluru into India's aerospace capital. Initially, HAL focused on repairing and assembling aircraft during the Second World War. During World War II, the British took operational control. Later, the U.S. Air Force used the facility. American aircrafts damaged in Burma and Asia were repaired here. Even before independence, HAL was already maintaining warplanes on a global scale. After 1947, India took full control, steering the company toward national self-reliance. In 1964, the company officially became Hindustan Aeronautics Limited through strategic mergers. This marked a major milestone in India's journey toward indigenous aviation excellence. One of HAL's greatest early achievements was the HF-24 Marut fighter jet, designed with German engineer Kurt Tank. It was Asia's first indigenous jet fighter. This accomplishment was a massive leap for India during the 1960s. Another crown jewel in HAL's portfolio is the modern Tejas fighter jet, one of HAL's proudest achievements. The Tejas is a supersonic lightweight aircraft featuring advanced fly-by-wire technology and lightweight composite body. It represents decades of hard work and a high percentage of indigenous components. Beyond fighter jets, HAL is renowned for the versatile Dhruv helicopter. The Dhruv is essential for rescue missions, military transport, VIP movement, and disaster relief. It operates reliably in the extreme conditions of the high Himalayan regions. HAL manufactured and assembled aircraft under license such as MiG-21, Jaguar, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, Hawk trainers, and helicopters. This helped India avoid total dependency on imports. Many people don't know this. HAL also manufactures components for rockets, satellites, and launch vehicles for Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. In 2025, ISRO even transferred complete SSLV rocket technology to HAL, and that's massive leap. HAL helped create Bengaluru's tech identity. Without HAL, DRDO growth may have slowed. Aerospace ecosystem may not exist. Bengaluru may not have become India's aviation hub. Over the decades, HAL has built fighters, trainers, helicopters, engines, and avionics systems. In 2024, HAL received Maharatna status from the Indian government. That gives it greater financial and operational autonomy. Its market capitalization crossed several lakh crores in recent years. So what is the defense pilot eligibility in India? To become an Indian Air Force pilot, the entry age is around 16.5 to 19.5 years. CDS and AFCAT flying branch is typically up to 24 to 26 years, depending on entry type. Medical standards are extremely strict. Requirements include perfect or near-perfect vision, strict height and weight ratio, cardiovascular fitness, psychological tests, G-force tolerance, and extensive training. Let's learn some aviation terminology. What's the parking area for planes called? It's called a hangar. What is an apron? It's the taxi parking area outside terminal. What is taxiway? It is the path aircraft used to move on ground. And runway? It is the strip used for takeoff and landing. And scramble means emergency takeoff. Why do you think fighter jets make so much noise? Because they travel faster than sound. So the sound waves gets accumulated over immense speed. Their speed is around 2,200 to 3,000 kilometers per hour. Do you know how much does it cost to own a private plane? It can cost from 5 crore to 40 plus crore for a small plane. Luxury business jets can go from 100 crore to 500 plus crore. Large aircraft like commercial airlines, private jets, and fighter jets use a special fuel called ATF, aviation turbine fuel or jet fuel. It is highly refined kerosene designed for extreme aviation conditions like high altitude, freezing temperatures, and turbine engines. And small propeller aircraft sometimes use aviation gasoline, which is closer to high-octane petrol. A strange aviation fact: aircraft fuel must remain usable even at temperatures below -40 degrees Celsius at high altitude, so it's specially engineered not to freeze easily. HAL's future is massive because India is pushing hard for indigenous defense manufacturing, reduced imports, and aerospace exports. HAL is also partnering with Airbus, Safran, and Boeing for global aerospace manufacturing. One final amazing thought: in 1940s, India barely had an aviation industry, and today, HAL helps build advanced aerospace technologies. And it all started from one industrialist dreaming that India should build its own aircraft before India was even free. It's amazing how someone's vision and hard work has such an impact on the entire nation to this day. Let us be proud of how far India has made it. Such an inspiration. What part of this aviation industry amazed you the most? Comment down. If you enjoyed watching, please hit that subscribe and help us grow. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.